Most cherry blossom blends are a synthetic mystery. Our cherry blossom blend is a natural reconstruction. We used Fregonia and Orris for that classic powdery floral scent. Almond bitters to mimic the fruitiness of the cherry itself. And it's grounded in cedarwood Virginian and benzoin for that balsamic, expensive finish. You'll also see dipropylene glycol on the label. That's actually why we call this a botanical blend instead of an essential oil blend. It's a synthetic carrier to help the rich resins and light florals play well together in a blend. Therapeutically, this blend is all about emotional regulation. It supports emotional balance and is very grounding. While the floral notes lift your mood, the cypress and ginger create a physical warming sensation on your skin, which can help create a healthy glow for your skin and help center your mind. You can use this blend to scent your DIY lotions, body oils, body butters. You can even use it in a DIY shampoo bar to help stimulate the scalp. You can also create perfumes, use it in your diffuser. There are all kinds of ways to take advantage of this amazing cherry blossom scent. So let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. Cherry Blossom Botanical Blend is a powerful blend. You want to use it at a 1% dilution rate or less in your DIYs. Just a few drops is enough to fill up a room with scent. This blend is considered safe to use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, but always consult a doctor first and do not use essential oils during your first trimester of pregnancy. This blend is unlikely to irritate dogs, but it could irritate cats. If you are diffusing this blend, be sure to do it in an open room if you have pets around. Since this blend contains cinnamon and ginger, it does have that light warming effect on your skin. So perform a patch test of your product before you use it all over to make sure that it works well for you. Stop settling for basic scents. Check out Simply Yours Cherry Blossom Blend today. Tell me in the comments how you are going to use this amazing blend.